بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math grade 7. Today we will continue our lesson area of composite figures. We have extra practice. The question: find the area of each figure. If necessary, use 3.14 for the value of the pi and round to the nearest hundredths. As you see here, we have composite figure. Here we have semicircle up. Here we have rectangle, and here we have semicircle. This is here area 1, area 2, and here area 3. Now I will start to find the area 1, the semicircle. So A1, the formula of the semicircle will be 1 over 2 by r squared. Substitution: 1 over 2 times the value of the pi, 3.14, and the radius. As you see, this line equals this line. Here the center of the semicircle, the diameter 3 millimeter, means the radius, the half of the diameter. It means 3 over 2. 3 over 2 means 1.5. Squared. Okay, now we can calculate 3.14 times 1.5 times 1.5, because we have 1.5 squared, equals 7.65, divided now by 2. So the answer will be 3.53 millimeter squared. And the semicircle here in number 3, the same semicircle in number 1. So we can write here A3 equals the same answer. .53 millimeter squared. Now A2, we have rectangle. The formula will be length times width. As you see here, the length 7 millimeter times here the width will be 3. So 7 times 3 will be 21 millimeter squared. Now the area of the composite the total of the three areas here, A1 plus A2 plus A3. So we can write here 3.53 plus 3.53 plus 21. The answer will be 28.7 millimeters squared. The answer will be 28.07 millimeters squared. Exercise number 2. Here you have composite figure. As you see here, we have rectangle, and here we have triangle. So this is area 1, this is area 2. So we can start from the rectangle, area of the rectangle equal length times width. The length, as you see, the length will be 10 times the width will be 7 . 10 times 7 will be 70 ft squared or feet squared. The second area for triangle, the formula will be 1/2 multiplied by the base multiplied by the height. So we have 1/2 times, this is the base, the all side 14, and from here to here we have 7. From here to here we have 7. 14 minus 7 will be 7. So the base here will be what? Will be 7 times 7. Times the height. This is the height, will be 5. Now 7 times 5 will be 35. Then 35 divided by 2. The answer will be 17.5. Now the area of the composite equal, add the total 70 plus 17.5. The answer will be 78.5 ft squared. Now exercise number 3. Here we have rectangle, here we have parallelogram, and here we have triangle. So for example here, 1, 2, 3. A1 we have rectangle, so the formula length times width. So the length will be 9 times the width will be 8. 9 times 8 will be 72 inch squared. Now here we have parallelogram. The formula will be base times height and this is the base, will be 8, this side equal this side, so the base will be 8 times the height from here to the here, the all distance here 18, the half of this distance will be the height, will be 9. So 8 times 9, also we have 72 inch squared. Multiply by the height. So here we have 1 over 2 multiply by the base, as you see the base here 10, multiply by the height will be 9, 10 times 9 90, divide by 2 will be 45 inch squared. Then the area of the composite figure equal the total 72 plus 72 plus 45 equal 189 inch squared. And as you see here we have triangle, here we have the congruent triangle, and here we have rectangle. So this is here 1, 2, 3. And A1 equal A3 because we have congruent triangles, and the formula will be 1 over 2 times base times height. So 1 over 2 multiply by the base times 8 multiply by the height times 4. Now 4 times a 32, divide by 2 will be 16 centimeter. squared. Now we want to find A2. We have rectangle, length times width. Oh, sorry, here we have square here. We have here square because here 8 and here 8. So the area of the square A squared. The total of the side will be 8, so 8 squared. So 8 squared means 8 times 8 means 64 centimeter squared. Now the area of the composite figure here, find the total. We have here A1 16 plus A2 64 plus A3 16. The answer will be 96 centimeter squared. The answer will be 96 centimeter squared. Who has any question here?
No questions.
Okay. Exercise number 5. As you see here, we have trapezoid. And here we can draw this line. So here we have trapezoid, and here we have trapezoid, and here we have trapezoid. So here 8 meter and the height 10 meter, and here the same this side also here 8 meter. So A1 the formula of the trapezoid P1 plus V2 over 2 multiplied by the height. And here P1 8 plus P2 here 10 over 2 times here the height, the all side here 7, the half the all side here 7, the half will be 3.5, here 3.5. The half of 3.5 means 3.5 divided by 2, 1.75. Now 8 plus 10, 18. 18 divided by 2, 9. Now 9 times 1.75. The answer will be 15.75. And A2 the same area of A1 because the same dimension. So we can write here A2 equal 15.75. Now A3 this is A3. Here we have 4 and here 8 over 2, and this is the height times 3. So 4 plus 8, 12. 12 divided by 2, 6. 6 times 3 will be 18. So area of the composite, the total, we have 15.5, 15.75 plus 15.75 plus 18. The answer will be 54. Who has any question here?
No question. But Mr. Here, 1 and 2, base 1 and base 2 are there, or you should like make them 2 times for 1 and 2.
Yes, we can do it 2 times, no problem. Okay. Who can tell me now how to find the area of this figure?
Mister, we're gonna put in the first the formula of the semicircle.
Yes, and here we have semicircle, and here we have semicircle, and here we have triangle. And as you see here, diameter 14 and here diameter 14 means the first semicircle congruent with the second semicircle, means the same area. So we can write A1 equal A2 equal, the formula will be 1 over 2 multiplied by the pi multiply by the r squared, means 1 over 2 times the value of the pi 3.14 times the r means the half of the diameter from here to here. So the all 14, the half of this distance will be what? Will be 7. So here 7. From here to here 7. So the r will be 7 squared. Now we have 3.14 times 7 squared means 7 times 7 means 49. Will be 153.86. Divide by 2. So the answer will be 76.93. ft squared. Then we can calculate the area of the triangle A3 will be 1/2 multiplied by the base multiplied by the height. So 1/2 multiplied by the base. The base, as you see, we have 14. And the height will be 14. Now 14 times 14 will be 196. Divide by 2. The answer will be 98. ft squared. Now the total A1 plus A2 plus A3. We can write here 2 times 76.93 plus 98. So the answer will be 251.68. Who has any question here?
No questions.
And here the same idea. Here we have trapezoid, and here we have triangle. Find the area of the triangle, then the area of trapezoid, then add to find the total, to find the area of the composite. Here the same idea. Here we have trapezoid, here we have triangle, and here we have rectangle. So find the area of triangle, the area of rectangle, the area of trapezoid, then you can add to find the total. Here you have semicircle, here we have semicircle, and here we have rectangle. So add the three areas to find the composite figure. Here the same idea. Here we can draw this line and this line. So here we have rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. Find the area here and the area here and the area here. You will be find the area of the composite. And here also we can draw the line here. Now here we have triangle, here we have rectangle, and here we have the semicircle. Find the area of triangle, the area of rectangle, then the area of the semicircle. Then you can add the three areas to find the area of the composite figure. Number 13, find the area of the shaded region. And as you see, the total side here 18. This side equal this side. Means here the total side will be 18. This part 5 and this part 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 18 minus 10 will be 8. So 8, the total of the diameter of the semicircle. Means the radius will be the half. Means 4. From here to here will be what? Will be 4. So, to find the area of the shaded circle, I will be find the area of the rectangle here, then the area of the semicircle. Then we can subtract the area of the semicircle from the area of the rectangle to find the shaded region. So the area of the rectangle equal length times width. (18 times 12). The answer will be 216. ft squared. Then the area of the semicircle equal 1 over 2 times pi times squared radius. Means 1 over 2 times 3.14 times r squared. The r will be 4, means 4 squared now 4 squared means 4 times 4 means 16. We have 16 times 3.14 will be 50.24 divided by 2. So the answer here will be 25.12. Now the area of the shaded region will be the area of the rectangle 216 minus the area of the semicircle 25.12 So the answer will be 190.88. ft squared. Who has any question here? No questions? Okay. Here, number 14, the same idea. 15, 16, the same idea. Let us to take attendance. اليازيا
موجودة مستر.
بيكا 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 طيب. سارة
موجودة.
سلمى 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 طيف
موجودة مستر.
أفراح
Yes, Mister.
فاطمة فاطمة فاطمة
Mister, she's absent.
لمار أيام
Here.
Okay, this is our video today. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow إن شاء الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.